Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another new video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show, how can we start page numbers at specific page in Office 2013, 2016, and 2019. At first, open a Word file. You can see, this file have total 5 page with introduction or cover page. Now, I use page number, from page 2, to end. I am not use, any page number in cover page, so, let's go for do this. Keep mouse cursor at, page number 2, and click on insert, and after select page number, we can see different type of, page number category here, we need to select any one category. We can see, page number is, add from page number 2, 3, and last page, means page number 5. There is no page number in page 1. For remove page number, click on insert, and select page number, then select remove page number. You can see, page number was removed from your all page. If you use, again page number, then, we need to do same as like previous. If you face any difficulties, please type me in comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.